Hi, my name is Jeanette Cooney. I did my internship with an organization called Big Ocean Women. Big Ocean Women is an international organization that was founded by Carolina Allen in an effort to gather and empower women around the world to make a difference in their homes and communities. I found my internship after looking through a list of internship opportunities that past students have done at BYU Idaho. I was interested in interning for Educate and Empower Kids, but when I reached out to Dina Alexander, she was unable to take interns at that time, but she gave me the contact information for Big Ocean Women. I reached out to them and was able to get an interview, and then a few days later was given an offer over email, which I accepted. I received an email from my supervisor, Grace Garn, and was able to meet with her over Zoom to learn more about Big Ocean Women and some of the responsibilities that I would have during my internship. Some of my responsibilities included creating social media content using Canva. So I did a lot of video editing. I created some tenant posts, and these were really just about their different beliefs. And then I did weekly Instagram posts where I would create different posts and then my supervisor would post them throughout the week. And then I also highlighted different waves in Big Ocean Women. I also helped update their website by creating new tenant graphics. So a lot of the tenant graphics were several years old and outdated, so they just wanted something new. So I helped with that, and then I also helped update and change the format for a lot of different pages on the website just so that things were more consistent and up to date and more user-friendly. I also helped update their newsletter format by creating new title graphics and section headers. And then I fixed the color scheme and font so that everything was more consistent. And then I also made sure that the photos and different links that they used fit well into the format and were clear and easy to read and see. I also interviewed and highlighted the different waves by creating a Google form that I sent out to each of the waves. And as I received information back from each of the waves, I created a spreadsheet to keep track of all that information. And then I was able to create different highlights for some of the waves on social media. And I did this by creating different reels and videos and posts with collages of things that they have worked on and done in their communities. The benefit that I brought to this organization was really helping them update a lot of their digital content, such as their website, their newsletter, different graphics. I also helped a lot with their Giving Tuesday campaign by creating and editing a lot of reels and videos that they posted throughout the week and leading up to the Giving Tuesday. I also interviewed and highlighted their different waves, and I did a lot of service projects on the side, such as collecting and donating blankets to a local shelter, and also got the ball moving for a potential event for Afghan refugees in the Salt Lake area. I personally benefited from this internship from the things that I was able to learn. I learned how to use Canva, MailChimp, and Pexels so that I could create social media posts that were pleasing and were in line with the look of Big Ocean Women. And I also learned how to use hashtags. I had never really learned how to do that and what the purpose was of them. I also met a lot of really neat women around the world who are making a difference in their communities, both in seeing pictures and videos from them, and also interacting more one-on-one with them in the work that I was doing. I learned how to be more proactive and creative in my work, so not just the social media posts that I was creating. I was also creative in how I use my time and trying to be more proactive in really moving the work forward for Big Ocean Women. And then I gained a lot of different skills in being able to help me create and promote different potential business ideas that I have for the future. And then I really learned how to communicate better, both in person and over email or during phone calls or Zoom meetings. Just being able to really listen effectively and to confidently share my ideas with others. And then I also learned how to work well with others and be patient with the work that we were doing, and being okay with it not going according to how I was expecting it to, and just really seeing things come together how they were supposed to. So a few important connections that I made between my internship and the coursework was just the importance really of service and looking outside of ourselves, really reaching out to people with kindness and compassion, both those that we're serving and those that we're working with. And then I learned the importance of a positive attitude and enthusiasm. This really choosing to be more positive through my work really helped me to have better interactions with others and to help the projects that we were working on go more smoothly and effectively. And then just one more personal connection, I guess, was just developing a deeper desire to be a mother and to have a family and really promote family life and motherhood and the importance of life. So there were a lot of pros and cons to this internship. I think overall I would recommend this internship to others. I felt like the pros were really flexible working schedule. I was able to choose when to work and how long each day and each week. And then I got to work with a lot of like-minded women who were just really wanting to make a difference around them and really had a focus on faith and family and motherhood and the importance of community and support. And then overall, I just had some really unique projects and assignments to work on that I wouldn't have really expected to get from an internship, but it was neat to work on those things and to really help us others. Some of the cons to the internship was it was often hard to contact other volunteers or people that were in leadership positions, and this often made a lot of the projects very slow moving, which then made it hard to get a lot of hours each week because I was just waiting. And then I had to do the internship completely online, so there's a lot of screen time, and that wasn't always very fun. But despite the cons, I would say that this internship was just a really amazing experience, and I would recommend it to others. So if anyone's interested in doing an internship with Big Ocean Women, I've provided the contact information for both Lisa Bogenberg and Carolina Allen. Lisa was actually the one that interviewed me and gave me the internship offer. They needed someone on their communications committee to help with social media content creation, and so that's what I was able to help with mainly. There's a lot of other committees that they have, and I'm sure there's lots of opportunities there. And then you can also reach out to Carolina Allen. She's the founder of Big Ocean Women. I've found that she's a lot easier to get a hold of than most people in the organization, but she's also very busy. So starting with Lisa is probably a good bet, because she can always connect you with other people if they don't need help on the communications committee. But I hope that all of this was helpful to you and that you have a great internship experience as I have had. Thank you.